Today we're gonna bring an outdoor LED light. This is outdoor graded, waterproof. It's not submergible, but it's actually waterproof for if it rains, pours, or you have an accident at night. You can always set this up in front of your car. If you're gonna fix your car at night or flat, this is a perfect thing to carry. This is foldable. All you gotta do is loosen them up in here, both sides. If you loosen them up, you can fold it up. Very simple to carry around with you anywhere. You could take this for camping. You could take it just for outdoors activities, or if you need some work in the backyard and there's no lighting, you can use this for emergencies. It's very simple to use. Now, you guys can see it. It has plenty of lights, different types of mode. We are going to take a look at the modes at night, but what I want to show you the power on button, and then here's the charging station. It's type A to AC connection. All right, so that's pretty much what you get right here to charge. This is going to last you for many hours. I actually haven't charged it for 3 weeks yet, and it's still working because I don't use it often as I need to, but it's great and handy for emergencies, earthquakes, grab and go. Car breaks down, take this on the road, and this will light you up anywhere, especially if you're working in your backyard or any dark areas. So all right, we're preparing ourselves for the storm here. So I took off the tent and I had no more light, so I'm using this LED light to pretty much illuminate everything I do. So I'm removing the tent. I have no more light. I'm putting this on here in this fixture. Give me plenty of light so I can start disconnecting, then take the tubes apart before the actual storm comes in. I'm tying up everything I need. If it wasn't for this light, I wouldn't be able to work here at night. So all right, there's 3 kinds of effects. All right, we're gonna turn it off. 1, 2, 3.